5 something in the morning and I couldn't sleep. I wanted to come work on the cars. I'm gonna pull this front clip off and get it packaged up, ready to send off to chrome. And I got the motor pulled out of the frame. Remember, I still gotta weld the bottom side of it. 19th of this month, I plan on having this frame fully welded, completely done, pretty much ready for the body. I mean, other than brake lines and stuff like that. So chassis will be done less than 2 weeks. I actually found that Summit sells the rails that go on the side for the drip rails, or I think they're called trunk gutters or something like that. Actually, this side looks pretty good. So, well, they come in pairs, so I'll buy them both. The package tray, actually, that looks pretty decent as well. So really, I just need this back section. Nice. Okay. So anyways, Summit sells all these pieces right there. I put them in the cart. That rust right there, it's a little bit. Oh, okay. So yeah, I do need this side. I'll get this side, get this right here. I'll get that going pretty soon. Also, I noticed got a little bit of weird stuff going on here. So they don't sell just like this lower half right here. You got to buy the whole quarter panel. However, Summit has the driver or passenger for like 200 bucks for the whole quarter panel. I don't need the whole quarter panel, but for 200 bucks, I'll buy it. And then the other side is like 400. Don't know why it's double the price. It's pretty much the exact same piece, but so I'm gonna go ahead and get both of those coming. You can see, yeah, it's starting to do some weird stuff right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ahead of the curve and start ordering pieces here and there to do my rust repair. And then I'm gonna get this motor pulled out pretty soon. I wanna finish the chassis first before I pull the motor, but that shouldn't take very long to pull this out. And I know I have access to a couple rotisseries and body carts. So with that being said, the faster I can get this thing taken apart and chassis done, the faster I can start doing rust repair by putting on the rotisserie. And then I'm also going to delete the pinch welds on the bottom. So by having the rotisserie, that'll definitely help out a ton. Also, if you can notice, I got a few signs hung up over the weekend. Alrighty, so pretty much all the trim I'm gonna have chrome is off. Still gonna redo the bumpers because I do want to keep the bumpers original, just because I know they fit good. It's gonna be kind of pricey, but it'll be worth it. So yeah, the front end, I got the grill, the headlights, headlight buckets, the eyelids, the bezels, the radiator support bracket, whatever you want to call it, the spear. I got the windshield cowl. I think that's actually stainless, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have the taillight bezel and the taillight trim. This, I might have chrome plated as well. I do believe that's aluminum, so I'm not sure what the process of chroming aluminum is. I know all this trim is stainless, I believe. I don't think it's actually chrome. So I'm thinking I'll probably just buy new trim since they do sell it. Not sure. I'm gonna talk with my chromer and see if it's worth it just to buy trim or have it re-chrome, because I do know I got some like dents and dings here and there throughout them all. Like you can kind of see right there, there's a little bit of a dent. So I mean, I understand original parts usually fit the best, but for the price, is it cost effective to just buy new ones that are already nice and chromed, or restore the originals? I know the bottom trim right there, it's like 350 bucks for the whole entire bottom trim. I'm just gonna buy that. Also, I know I have brand new hood hinges somewhere. Ordered them like, I'm embarrassed to say it actually. I ordered the hood hinges like probably longer than that. It's been probably about 7 years since I've ordered the hood hinges and I still haven't put them on. Almost a decade. That's ridiculous. But I gotta find them. I think I know where they're at. I think they're in my she shed in the backyard of my parents' house. I think that's where they are. Hopefully they're still there. If not, I'll order some new ones, some billet ones maybe. Ooh, yeah, I think some billet ones would be tight. We'll see. Since if I can find them, I'll just use them since I already have them. If not, I'll probably give me some like really nice billet hood hinges. We'll see, we'll see. So here it is. This is the first batch. I'm gonna do them in batches just because I know chrome's so expensive. So after this first batch, when I get this back and all paid up, then I'll send the bumpers off to get re-chromed because I know those things are not gonna be cheap. So might just do one bumper at a time, but we'll just see. If the price is right, maybe I can justify doing both at the same time. I know that'll probably be better, but we'll see. We'll just have to see once we get there. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Pretty happy I'm making progress. I had motivations, what I've been thinking about the last couple of weeks. Like, I wanna work on my car, Super excited I'm in the new shop. So with that being said, I will be having more videos posted more and more often. I know this stuff doesn't matter at all, sending it off to chrome. I just don't wanna wait on it when it's done. And honestly, once it's done getting chromed, it's gonna sit in one of these boxes like this, probably for a while, but it's nice to have it just, you know, the ball rolling, keeping momentum going. That's what it's all about, just working on it little by little. The little bits will add up and eventually it'll be done, eventually. Yeah, I just wanna ball out. I kinda wanna sell this truck to help fund all this. What do you guys think? Should I sell the C10 to dump all the money into the Monte Carlo? It'll help fund a lot of it. Like, I'll sell this truck and this thing still won't be done, even if I dumped every single penny into it. That's the sad part. So anyways, like I said, that's gonna be it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. If you got any ideas or comments or anything, any ideas or whatever, just let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. Peace.